The DST Seed Science, Technology and Innovation Hub at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad is working across 6 villages in Kannad Taluka of Aurangabad district, Maharashtra. The hub has set up exemplary instances in uplifting livelihood through technical knowledge dissemination and science and technology intervention for rural development. Amidst COVID-19 outbreak in India and across the globe, the heartfelt appeal of Dr. Debapriya Datta sir, advisor and head, Seed Division, Department of Science and Technology, to come up with innovative science, technology and socio-economic reformation interventions towards addressing the issues arise due to the pandemic has reached scientific community of the entire nation. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad has ever remained responsive to the needs of society through its research and development wing. Professor Pramod Ji Yole sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, is having keen interest in societal research. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Professor Yole sir is extending all-round support to each and every effort that the university is taking to fight the disaster. His personal interest, regular interactions, guidance and mentoring on even smallest hurdles have made the researchers across the university campus to make it day and night working on critical aspects. The Team Kushal of DST Seed STI Hub is on the forefront of this war-footing operation. The team has taken up activities like design and development of automated hand sanitizer, sanitizer tunnel and ventilator along with couple of livelihood challenges. Operation of the team is gaining momentum through Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra, the skill development unit of the university. Recently, the Kushal team has come up with an automatic hand sanitizer machine. Without the need for pressing any button or lever, the equipment highly minimizes risk of contamination. The equipment involves very low cost yet fail-safe technology. The equipment is purely plug and play type and runs on 12 volt DC. A regular adapter, 12 volt battery or even solar power can be employed for running the machine. To have sanitizer, one has to simply take hand in front of the spout. The dispensing starts automatically. On removal of the hand, the dispensing stops automatically yet again. Refilling of the container is also very user friendly. Just opening the lid of the container, the sanitizer liquid can be poured into the same. On behalf of DST Seed STI Hub, this equipment is going to be installed in villages adapted by the hub. The entire Kushal team is obliged to Dr. Debapriya Datta sir and Professor Pramod Ji Yole sir for all-round support including finance in this hard time, and it is because of their throughout motivation only the activities are streaming towards success.